Hello everybody. I thought I'd make a quick video about a tool belt. Well, you probably see our installers run these tool belts. I'm running a tool belt here today, and I wanted to show you what's inside of our installers tool belts. And we pretty much always have these on when we're doing roof repairs and even roof replacements. The first thing that we want to show you with a hammer, we definitely always use the hammer there for repairs. And so that's one thing that's in our holster there. Another thing would be a pair of SNIPS. These are called straight SNIPS. And we have two other ones that are left side and right side, and they're different colors. We pretty much use these to cut metal, like drip edge, fascia metal, when we're wrapping a fascia board or things like that. We have another tool here called a chalk line. This makes our job a lot faster. Instead of taking a straight bar and a pencil, our guys will just take one guy will pull this side and another one this side. We pull the string real tight, and then we'll pop a line, and it just speeds our job up a lot faster, and things like that. We also have a straight bar here. You probably always see us for this. We use this to get up underneath the shingles, especially when we're doing repairs, to lift the shingles up, and then it's got a little notch there to put the nail in to remove the shingle. Of course, we always have the caulk gun. We put a bead of caulk up underneath the shingle after we've done a repair, especially in the wintertime. We're here on the East Coast, so a lot of times the roofs don't really get a chance to heat up. So we want to put a dab of this roof sealant up underneath the shingle to secure it. And of course, we also have our tape measure we use to measure many things on the roof. And so yeah, those are just a few of the little knickknacks that you see our installer pulling out and putting back in their tool pouch. We also carry fasteners. These are the nails that we use to secure the shingles. Again, when we're doing repairs, we normally use nail guns when we're doing replacements. We also have cap nails that we use. So you see here, they have ridges in them, so it gives them a little bit more stronger holding power. We also have a special nail gun that we use to install these with when we're doing replacements. So yeah, that's the anatomy of our tool belt there. So if you'd like more information about this, please look us up, check us out, and give us a call. And thank you.